stopped off here in Macquarie to get a biscuit. Got about 30 minutes to get to the slough. Brew up a nice poop for the trees there. Asher's here with us. I think he's grabbing something, and then got Lancaster meetings down there. So running a little late as usual. Maybe by about 8 o'clock we'll be ready to hunt. Who knows?
No, I'm gonna put it in my backpack when we get to the creek.
You got a close hang on it?
No. Watch out, Oak. Y'all ready, Bubba? We good. Let's get after it, man. Stay away from that.
Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
Don't let me forget to take my damn headlamp off.
Take your what?
Take my headlamp off. No pie face today.
Back in the hole that we killed them open in the morning. Hole we call the money trees. It was pretty good to us, but it wasn't like it was in the past. It can be really good in here when the ducks get in here. But total 360 on weather that we had from yesterday. It was overcast, rainy, and 60 degrees. Now it's clear skies, sunny, and 38. So we got a lot of guys stacked in these trees. So if we have a good hide, should be plenty of birds around to shoot them good. So
sunrise is straight up 7, so we got a straight 6:30 shoot. 11 minutes.
We gotta be 1 minute.
I think there's birds on the water, guys.
holy shit, Oakley's losing it.
I'm about to lose my mind. Look at this.
Holy shit. Is that a mallard?
That's a mallard too.
Oh my god.
Make me feel so good.
Kill him.
I need a damn saw.
We'll get another one. Get her out of the water.
Oh Lord.
Widgeon. They're out front. Get them.
Anybody got a stringer going?
I hear these big dogs.
It's duck. Yeah. On the right. There we go. Yeah, that's way better there.
Bit of a headache. I'm just like, gotta keep handing you birds.
All right.
I got another hook, by the way.
Okay.
There you go.
Bro, if that duck ain't stone cold dead, I don't know.
Bro, both of our patterns were right in line with each other.
And it's still kicking.
Alright, now close your eyes.
That's trash. It's beef tartare. Put it in the bag.
It wouldn't even hold on the finger.
I left my saltine crackers at the house this morning for some beef tartare.
A little sachet.
One peel. Right. Ran them out. God, that's just dirty. Somebody want to shoot that? Hey, there's two right there.
Wait a minute. Where we at?
6 on here plus 4 is probably like 14 total with the ones on the water.
Good God,
this guy
feet
just
down.
dumping in the hole. I don't have a gun. I'm hanging ducks.
What are we doing?
Shoot him. Get up! Hey! 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 That was nice. That was good.
On the right. They love Oakley.
Shoot it.
No,
God. I have no idea, bro.
A lot, dude. I've just been steadily stacking them on there.
There's at least 5 on the water, too.
oh my God.
What?
6.
6.
I got one in the boat.
I mean, with what we got on the water, I don't know, 15, 20 maybe. I haven't even counted. Oh, that sucks.
We're gonna have to go round up some. It's
It's
just
just-
carnage. It's just carnage. Oh, what'd you drop?
Water. Leave your tears, man. Hell, it was 26 inches of barrel. It's about to be 18 with a ½ inch tip after that dip. God. That's so bad. We're gonna find out.
You're gonna learn today. Yeah.
Well, here we go. Hopefully it shoots. Get him. Got it? Yeah.
Does it work?
Well, she works. I hit 2 of them right there. Not comfortable when you got water splashing in your eyes. I mean, these are doing it though. Look at these. Bro, we gotta shoot this. Right?
Shoot them if they come in. Yeah.
Shoot that Drake that's swimming.
Shoot that cripple.
Shoot that Drake.
We're getting the 20 gauge to do it.
Hey, do y'all want to go round them up some?
No, come snag the boat.
Dude, I think there's like 4 down that little canal looking thing
there's
too.
easy like 10 on the water.
I think there's still one over here right inside the bucket.
Well, then yeah, we probably ought to hit a loop.
We just need to make a round with the boat.
Yeah, man, hell, I'm looking at 4 dead ones right here, another one trying to swim.
Let's get the boat and just.
I mean, I'm looking at you over there just on the front lines, man.
I'm telling you, y'all need to. Oh God, y'all need to get on that right side. I'm not kidding you, they're 5 yards away. No more beating hearts on. I've almost shot 2 full boxes. I'm the Reaper.
I need to get this other one there.
I got 13 in my hand.
4, 5, 6, 7, 18 there.
Can you reach these right?
31.
Kill 5 more.
5 more.
5 more.
I said in Canada I'd never say it again, but wish the teal would just get out of here.
7:22 and we've killed 30 ducks. Real amateur move, burning through all your teal in 30 minutes. I shot 2 boxes of shells. And I think we only need 6 more. So we're gonna wait on some big ducks. Maybe get Jay a pintail. He's never killed a duck before.
Oh my God.
Please tell me you got that one.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Shoot him.
Hey, you might want to shoot that one in the back with his head up.
Yep.
That's the one.
That one right there.
Probably happy to get out of that water though.
We got the director of photography dropped his gun in the water.
That's so shitty.
Yep.
Coming back right here.
What are y'all doing? Shoot him! Shoot him! Yeah! Pounded.
But like once it gets to like right here,
Did you kill him?
Is that it? That's it, right?
8:35 out of here with 36 of them, and a could have been out of here at like 7:15, but good thing we said shoot the teal, huh? Nate was trying to get greedy on us. We'd be out here with like 15, but 36 of them by 8:30. Ain't mad about it. Could have been done a lot earlier, like I said, but it is what it is. At least I didn't lose my gun. Could have been a lot worse.
Dude, Oakley did great, man. Sometimes we get frustrated, you know, but we got to imagine, you know, just the sun on the water. She probably can't see me. Heck, if I can't see, you know, a duck from where I'm standing, having your eyes like just this far above the water can be kind of hard, but it's just more trust gets built every time that you know, bring your dog and just, you know, send her. She gets rewarded. All they want to do is please you, so it's always fun, man, having a dog with you.
Get that dog.
That was, I mean, just nonstop this morning. Those teal. Oh, you talk about close too. I mean, golly. Me and Nate, I mean, I don't know what it looked like from where you're standing, but where me and Nate were standing over there, man, them things were right in our faces, but in good bunches too. If you can't have fun doing that, I don't know what to tell you. You're in the wrong place. That was a lot of fun.